हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और अपनी स्टडीज़ को भी रेगुलरली फॉलो कर रहे होंगे। तो आज हम मॉक टेस्ट 4 करने वाले हैं। डिस्क्लेमर: The images used in our slide deck are just for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creator and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Thank you. Let's see this question. If a root of 3x square minus 7x minus 30 plus root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 is equals to x plus 5, then x is equals to, क्या x 2 के बराबर होगा, 3 के होगा या 6 के होगा या फिर 5 के बराबर होगा? तो इसके लिए हम आपको कुछ सेकंड्स का समय देंगे, आप ट्राई कीजिए, फिर हम अपनी सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड पर बढ़ेंगे। सो योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। आई होप आपने ट्राई किया होगा। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड पर। तो जैसा कि हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया था, रूट ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 30 प्लस रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 5। तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? x बराबर होगा 6 के, मतलब ऑप्शन सी हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा। सॉल्यूशन: हमारे पास रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 30 प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 5 है। हमने टर्म्स को रीअरेंज किया कुछ इस प्रकार से, रूट ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 30 इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 5 माइनस ऑफ रूट ऑफ 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 5। हमने दोनों साइड स्क्वायर किया, हमें मिला 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 30 इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस 10x प्लस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x minus 5 minus 2 times of x plus 5 times root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 further implies minus 10x minus 50 is equals to minus 2 times x plus 5 times root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5। और यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा x plus 5 is not equals to 0, root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 is equals to 5. Since x is equals to minus 5 does not satisfy the given equation, which further implies 2x square minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 6. This question, the number of solutions for the equation x square minus 5 modulus of x plus 6 is equals to 0. The number of solution are 4 or 3 or 2 is 1. You will have some time to try this problem. Then we will move towards a solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन एक्सप्लेनेशन। सो जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में हमसे नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस पूछा गया था क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5 मॉडुलस एक्स प्लस 6 इक्वल्स टू 0। करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ए और नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस होंगे 4. Solution. Given equation is x square minus 5 mod x plus 6 is equals to 0. When x is greater than equals to 0, then x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 will be our quadratic equation. If x is less than 0, then quadratic equation will become x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. This implies x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0 for x greater than equals to 0, and x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0 for x less than 0. For x greater than equals to 0, we have this factor form x minus 3 times x minus 2, and for x less than 0, we have x plus 3 times x plus 2 is equals to 0 form. From both, we will get 4 values for x, 3, 2, minus 3 and minus 2, which satisfy the given equation. Therefore, we have 4 solutions for the equation. Okay, this question. The roots of the equation absolute of 2x minus 1 whole square minus 3 times absolute of 2x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0 are minus half 0 half, or minus half 0 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 half 0 1, and minus half 0 1 3 by 2. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then afterwards we will move towards its solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड पर. तो क्वेश्चन में हमसे रूट्स पूछे गए थे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मॉडुलस ऑफ 2x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर minus 3 times मॉडुलस ऑफ 2x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. तो इसके रूट्स होंगे माइनस हाफ 0 1 3 by 2. मतलब ऑप्शन डी हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा. सॉल्यूशन. गिवन इक्वेशन इज modulus 2x minus 1 whole square minus 3 times modulus of 2x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. Let modulus 2x minus 1 is equals to t. Then we have t square minus 3t plus 2 is equals to 0 as our new quadratic equation, which implies t minus 1 times t minus 2 is equals to 0 as its factor form. This gives you two values for t which satisfy the quadratic equation in t. Now substitute t back. Absolute value of 2x minus 1 is equals to 1, and absolute value of 2x minus 1 is equals to 2. This gives you 2x minus 1 is equals to plus minus 1, 2x minus 1 is equals to plus minus 2. From here you can get 4 values for x which satisfy the given equation: 1, 0, 3 by 2 and minus half. Okay. Now this question, if a, b, c are cube root of unity, then this determinant EA, E2A, E3A minus 1, e raised to the power b, e raised to the power 2b, e raised to the power 3b minus 1, e raised to the power c, e raised to the power 2c, e raised to the power 3c minus 1 is equals to 0, e, e square, e cube. You will have some time to try this problem. Then afterwards we will move towards its solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड पर। क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया गया था कि ए बी सी अगर क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी हैं तो ये डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी। डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू होगी 0, मतलब ऑप्शन ए हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा। सॉल्यूशन, मान लीजिए डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल्स टू, हम कुछ इस तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज का यूज करके। दो डिटर्मिनेंट्स में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं। देख सकते हैं आप, e रेज टू द पावर a, e रेज टू द पावर 2a, e रेज टू द पावर 3a, e raised to the power b, e raised to the power 2b, e raised to the power 3b, e raised to the power c, e raised to the power 2c, e raised to the power 3c. Now minus determinant of e raised to the power a, e raised to the power 2a 1, e raised to the power b, e raised to the power 2b 1, e raised to the power c, e raised to the power 2c 1. Now taking e raised to the power a common from first row, e raised to the power b common from second row, e raised to the power c common from third row. We will have e raised to the power a times e raised to the power b times e raised to the power c times this determinant 1 e raised to the power a, e raised to the power 2a, 1 e raised to the power b, e raised to the power 2b, 1 e raised to the power c, e raised to the power 2c. Plus, now interchanging column 2 and column 3, okay, we will have this minus sign changed to positive sign. This gives us this determinant minus the same determinant. Okay, what about this? As we know that A, B, C, the sum must equals to 0, as A, B, C are the cube roots of unity. This gives us e raised to the power A plus B plus C is equals to 1. This gives us the final value for the determinant, which is equals to 0. Okay, this question. If px raised to the power 4 plus q x cube plus r x square plus s x plus t is equals to the determinant of x square plus 3x, x minus 1, x plus 3, x plus 1 minus 2x, x minus 4, x minus 3, x plus 4, 3x, where p, q, r, s and t are constant, then t is equals to 0, 1, 2, minus 1. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then afterwards, we will move onto the solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन को। क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया गया था पी एक्स रेज टू द पावर 4 प्लस क्यू एक्स क्यूब प्लस आर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एस एक्स प्लस टी इज इक्वल्स टू दिस determinant where p, q, r, s, t are constants. Then value for t will be 0. Option A is our correct option. Solution. Put x is equals to 0 in the given equation. We will get t at the left hand side is equals to this determinant 0 minus 1 3 1 0 minus 4 minus 3 4 0, and this determinant value is just nothing but minus 12 plus 12, which gives us final value as a 0. Okay, this question, if fx is equals to the determinant for 1 x x plus 1 2x, x times x minus 1, x times x plus 1, 3x times x minus 1, x times x minus 1 times x minus 2, x plus 1 times x minus 1. Then f of 50 is equals to 0, 50, 1 or minus 50p. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then afterwards we will move onto the solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा. तो बढ़ते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड. Of this, then we have to find the f of 50. So f of 50 will be 0. Then this means option A is our correct option. Solution: on taking common factors x from column 2, x plus 1 from column 3, and x minus 1 from row 3, we get fx is equals to x times x square minus 1 times this determinant 1, 1, 1, 2x, x minus 1x, 3x, x minus 2x, which further equals to x times x square minus 1 times this determinant. From where we got this? We applied row column operation as change in column 3 as uh, C3 minus C2. Now then, change in column 2 as C2 minus C1. We will get 1, 0, 0, 2x minus of x plus 1, 1, 3x minus of 2 times x plus 1, 2. And this gives us our determinant equals to 0. So fx is equals to 0 for every x. This implies that f of 50 is equals to 0. Okay. Now this question: if the middle term of 1 by x plus x sin x raised to the power 10 is equals to 7 whole 7 by 8, then the value of x is 2n pi plus pi by 6, n pi plus pi by 6, n pi plus minus 1 raised to the power n pi by 6. The last option, n pi plus minus 1 times pi by 6. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then we will move on to the solution slide. So your time starts now. आई होप आप सभी ने ट्राई किया होगा. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन स्लाइड पर. तो क्वेश्चन में बोला गया था कि जो मिडिल टर्म है इस बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन की 1 बाय एक्स प्लस एक्स साइन एक्स रेज टू द पावर 10 वो बराबर है 7 होल 7 बाय 8 के. तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? x की वैल्यू होगी n पाई प्लस माइनस 1 रेज टू द पावर n पाई बाय 6, मीनिंग ऑप्शन सी. सॉल्यूशन: 1 by x plus x sin x raised to the power 10, where n is even, meaning middle term will be at 10 by 2 plus 1th term, meaning 6th term. This gives us t6 will be tan C5 1 by x raised to the power 10 minus 5 times x sin x raised to the power 5, and we know that this is equals to 7 whole 7 by 8. So 252 times sin x whole raised to the power 5 is equals to 7 whole 7 by 8, which is equals to 63 by 8. This gives us sin x whole raised to the power 5 is equals to 32, and this gives us sin x is equals to half. Further, it equals to sin x is equals to sin pi by 6, and we know from the general form for sin x is equals to sin alpha, we have x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to the power n pi by 6. Okay. This question, if seventh term in the binomial expansion of 3 by 1/3 root of 84 plus root 3 natural log x whole raised to the power n, where x is greater than 0 is equals to 7 to 9, then x can be e square, e, e by 2 or 2e. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then we will move on to our solution slide. So your time starts now. I hope you have tried. Let's move on to the solution slide. If the seventh term in the binomial expansion of 3 by cube root of 84 plus root 3 natural log x whole raised to the power 9, where x is strictly greater than 0 is equals to 7 to 9, then x can be e, meaning option B will be our correct option. Solution. Seventh term meaning 9c6 times 3 by cube root of 84 whole raised to the power 3 times root 3 square root of 3 natural log x whole raised to the power 6 is equals to 729. This further implies 84 times 3 cube divided by 84 times 3 cube times natural log x whole raised to the power 6 is equals to 729. Further equals to natural log x whole raised to the power 6 is equals to 1. This gives us x must be e. Okay. Now the integral, this indefinite integral dx by x square times x raised to the power 4 plus 1 then whole raised to the power 3 by 4. This indefinite integral is equals to x raised to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 4 plus some constant, or x raised to the power 4 plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 by 4 plus some constant, minus of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 by 4 plus some constant, or minus of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 4 then whole raised to the power 1 by 4 plus some constant. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then we will move on to our solution slide. So your time starts now. I hope you have tried. Let's move on to the solution slide. So indefinite integral 1 by x square times x raised to the power 4 plus 1 whole raised to the power 3 by 4. It equals to option D. Okay. Solution. Assume the indefinite integral as capital I. Then take common x raised to the power 4 from this thing. Okay. Then will have our denominator as x raised to the power 5 times 1 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. Then this whole raised to the power 3 by 4. Now taking 1 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 is equals to t raised to the power 4, and then differentiate both sides with respect to t, then we will have minus 4 by x raised to the power 4 dx at the left hand side, and at the right hand side we will have 4t cube dt. After rearranging, you will have dx by x raised to the power 5 is equals to minus of t cube dt. Now, after substituting back, the integrand will become minus t cube dt divided by t cube. This further implies minus integration dt, which will gives us minus of t plus some constant. Again, substitute back t value. You will have your final answer as minus x raised to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 4, then whole raised to the power 1 by 4 plus some constant. That's why option D was our correct option. Okay. This question. If indefinite integral sine x divided by sine of x minus alpha is equals to ax plus b log sine x minus alpha plus some constant, then this a comma b value will be sine alpha comma cos alpha comma sine alpha minus sine alpha comma cos alpha, or minus cos alpha comma sine alpha. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then afterwards we will move on to our solution slide. So your time starts now. I hope you all have tried this problem. Let's move on to the solution slide. So in the question, if this indefinite integral is equals to ax plus b log sine of x minus alpha plus some constant, then the value of this ordered pair a comma b is cos alpha comma sine alpha. Solution. Let capital I is equals to integration of sine x divided by sine of x minus alpha. Substituting x minus alpha is equals to t, and then differentiating, you will have dx is equals to dt. Therefore, capital will become integration of sine t plus alpha divided by sine t dt. This will be is equals to integration of cos alpha dt plus sine alpha cos t sine t dt. Now, this is just nothing but cos alpha times t, and this is just nothing but plus sine alpha cos of sine t plus some constant. And then substitute back t value, you will get x cos alpha plus sine alpha log of sine x minus alpha plus some constant. On comparing, we will have a is equals to cos alpha and b is equals to sine alpha. Okay. This question, if integration fx divided by log of sine x dx is equals to log of sine x plus some constant, then fx is equals to sin x, cos x, log of sin x, or cot x. You will have some seconds to try this problem. Then afterwards, we will move on to our solution slide. Let's So your time starts now. I hope that you have all tried the problem. Let's move on to the solution slide. So this indefinite integral fx by log of sin fx is equals to cot x, meaning option D is our correct option. Solution. We have this indefinite integral fx divided by log of sin x is equals to log of sin x plus some constant. We Since integration of g prime x divided by gx dx is equals to log of gx plus some constant. Therefore, fx is equals to differentiation of log of sin x. This gives us simple cot x. So fx is equals to cot x. Okay. एंड इसी के साथ साथ हम अपने इस सेशन को यहीं पर एंड करना चाहेंगे. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर joining with us in this session.